In this video, you will learn how to quickly install WordPress in your own PC. Installing WordPress locally means all your website files will be stored in your computer. And this is great for beginners who are just starting out trying to learn WordPress for free. Even seasoned WordPress webmasters are still using this technique when building a new website so that they can make sure that before making their website live online, all the important aspects of the website structure are fully functional. So if you are now ready to learn how to install WordPress locally, then let's get started. So here we go, we are now on the Google page. But actually, the first step that we need to do is to download the software that we can use to make WordPress live on our local PC. So actually, the first step that we need to do is to head over to bitnami.com/stack/WordPress, or you can just go ahead to Google. You can type in Bitnami WordPress. Okay, so click enter, and the first one that will show up it is the one that you need to access. Okay, here we go. Here is the one that you need to pull up. So open it up on a different tab. So here we go. We are now on the page where we can download our WordPress installer. So in this page, you can go ahead down below, or just click Windows. Since we are, for the sake of this example, I am using Windows. So I am going to click this one. If you are using Mac, so still you need to click this one. And then here we go. We can now start downloading the software so that we can start installing WordPress locally. If you're using Mac, then click here to download the installer. If you're using Linux, then choose this. And for me, I am using Windows, so I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to click this one to download the installer. Okay, since we are now done downloading the installer, so you need to locate the file or the installer to the folder where you have just downloaded the software. So on my end, I already have this one, the newly downloaded software, so that I can install WordPress. On your end, just double click this file, this installer, and click OK. Choose English and click OK. And then click next. Click next again. Okay, you can choose where you want this WordPress to be installed, but for me c/bitnami/WordPress is okay for me, so I'll click next. In here you need to add your name. For me, I'll just add my name, and then you need to add your email address. Put in here your active email address, and then I need to add a username for my WordPress so that I can properly log into my WordPress site locally. But for now, I'll just use admin. On your end, you can choose any username that you want to choose. You need to save this information in here because this is very important. Without this, you cannot log into your WordPress locally. Okay, so I'm done right now, so I'll click next. I'll just add test site in here for the meantime, and click next, and then click next, and click next. Okay, WordPress is already on the process of being installed, so just wait for a while. Okay, it's almost done right now. So on our end, we only need to, if there is this pop-up dialog box, you can just click allow. Okay, this is for WordPress. Okay, it's still configuring database. Once there is another pop-up dialog box like this one, just click allow. Okay, there we have it. It's already done. WordPress is already installed, so to finalize the process, just click finish. So here we go, we are now ready to access our WordPress site since the WordPress is already installed. Again, it's a local website, so you can just click on access WordPress, and here we go, here is our website. Another way of accessing your website is just by going to localhost/WordPress. And here we go. This is our newly installed website locally. If you want to access your, or if you want to log into the dashboard of your website, then you can just type in the address box, the localhost/WordPress, and then log in, and then click enter, and here we go. Remember the password and the username that we used earlier. So for me, I use admin, and I'll type in my password. Let's try to see if we can access our dashboard. Okay, here we go. This is the dashboard of our website. So it's a local website that we have just installed. I think that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is for you to install WordPress in your local PC. Okay, so you can start practicing WordPress if you are a beginner. So if you are a seasoned webmaster, you can still install WordPress locally so that you can just set up your website before you make it live online. Okay, so that's all there is to it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and share this with others. That's all there is to it. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.